AIP armature tester for multi-industry motor armature testing. Power tool motor, small appliance motor, automotive motor, vacuum cleaner motor, fitness equipment motor, garden tool motor. This product is used for automotive starter motor armature testing. Preparing for installation. Installation of test cables and power cables in accordance with the markings. Connect the air hose in place. Set air pressure to standard values according to tester requirements. Adjust air pressure with the upper knob. When adjustment is complete, press the knob to lock. Turn on the switch on the rear panel of the tester. Switch on the voltage stabilizer. Turn on the switch on the front panel of the unit. Wait for boot load to complete. Installation of motor samples. Selection of test fixtures according to the specifications of the motor samples to be tested. When placing the motor sample, the reference line can be aligned with the middle position of any piece of the commutator. When the commutator cannot be aligned with the reference line, the angle of the base can be adjusted manually. When adjustment is complete, lock the knob. Software setup. After the boot load is complete, click Test. Click on Model. Find the blank space and click Create Project. Enter the project name. Setting of the commutators according to the parameters of the test motor sample. When the settings are complete, click Save. DCR resistor configuration. Discrete tolerance typically 3 to 5. Limit can also be set. Other parameters are set according to the requirements of motor test samples. Push the slipcover onto the tooling to be tested. Click Sampling. When the motor sample data sampling is complete, click Save. AQ Search configuration. Choose AC high pot shaft winding AC and insulation resistance AC. Set the volt time, current, H according to the test requirements. Click Save. IMP search configuration. Set voltage, time, upper limit, interval, IMP mode as required. Once the settings are complete, click Sampling. The waveform can be adjusted via compress, extend, zoom out, zoom in. When adjustments are complete, click Save. The testing process. If you need to know the details, please contact us.